Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wrike automation for recurring workflow tasks step by step clearly. First, log into your Wrike account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to set up automation. Click on the Automations option in the left sidebar. Select Create Automation to begin. Choose a template or start from scratch. If starting from scratch, select the trigger for your automation. For recurring tasks, select the recurring option. Configure the frequency of the recurrence, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the day and time for the automation to run. Next, define the action you want to take place when the trigger occurs. You can choose to create a new task, change a status, or assign a task. Fill in the necessary details for the action you've selected. If creating a task, provide a name, assign it to the right team member, and set the due date. Review your automation settings to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click Save to confirm your automation. Your recurring workflow task automation is now set up in Wrike. To test it, manually run the automation to ensure it performs as expected. Monitor your tasks to see if they generate as scheduled. Make adjustments to your automation settings if needed. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Wrike automation for recurring workflow tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.